You need to hire an attorney to present these types of files because you're going to be lost. It's just like having a plumber come and do my house. I'm not a plumber. I'm going to hire an expert. I am an expert in representing people who have been injured. My office is different than any other office because I'm by myself. You're going to feel like family, and we're going to work hard together. You're not just going to deal with somebody one week on the file, next week you're going to be flipped. There's 300 lawyers in the firm. Big law firms are great to represent corporations and big problems. I can't tell you how many people come and ask me and say, Frank, I'm not a sue-happy person. I agree. I think the way that you need to frame this is, have I been damaged monetarily? And do I have a claim against the insurance company on the other side? There's a reason people buy insurance, so you don't take their houses, their 401ks, things like that. That's not what we do here at Frank Kitson PA. We're not putting the little old lady out of her house when she runs into you. We're going to find the insurance policies, and we're going to get what you deserve the right way.